Did you know that you could earn $2, $5, and even $10 by clicking one button? Yes, that's right, and it really is as simple as it sounds. People are making thousands of dollars with the same method I'm about to show you in this video. Don't worry, this method doesn't require buying or selling and paying for any fees. Also, you don't need to make any investments at all, as it's 100% free for everyone. The best part is that the website you will be making money on is absolutely free for people all around the world, and everyone can access it. So it really doesn't matter which country you're from. All you need to have to get started is your computer, tablet, or smartphone, and of course, an internet connection. I highly recommend watching the whole video and not skip any parts, because I will also share a few tips with you that will allow you to double or even triple your income. I'm 100% confident that you will love this money-making technique I'm about to show you, as it's so easy and you don't even need to spend much time on it. You can do this at least 5 minutes a day, and you can see instantly money coming into your account. Now, you can just continue watching the video. But before we start, welcome to Make Money Emma, where I teach you how to make money online the simplest way. Make sure to subscribe to this channel and don't forget to click on the notification bell. So whenever I upload a new video on how to make money online, you will be updated. Also, please give this video a big thumbs up. And if ever you have any concerns or questions about this video, don't be shy and just leave a comment down below. Now let's get back to the video. I now want you to go to this website, that is enrollapp.com. So, Enroll is a legit testing website that pays people for taking paid tests. It also gives you the opportunity to help companies make better choices about how they interact with their customers. For example, you will be testing different websites' content and logos by clicking on yes or no answers. This means you will actually get paid for your opinion. But you'll also have a benefit for it, as you will be the first one to know about the new things coming out. And the best part is that you can take tests anywhere you like, and on whatever device you like. You can do them on your computer, laptop, tablet, or smartphone. Just make sure to have an internet connection. And the cool thing about this app is that you will be rewarded for every mission you complete, and they will send the payout directly to your PayPal account. This is what I personally love about this app, is that your opinion really does matter, as you have the power to change the web and be part of the internet's next revolution. You can now create your free account by clicking on this button here, where it says Register. After doing that, you need to fill in your email address in here, and then just create your password. Then you need to click on these two boxes here. And finally, click on the green button here to complete signing up. Once you have created your account, Enroll will send you a verification email. So you just need to verify your email address by clicking on the link of their sent email. When you have done that, then you can just log into your new account. If you guys are enjoying this video, don't forget to smash the like button and subscribe to the channel. Now, let's get back to the video. Once you have created your account at Enroll and also verified your email address, then you can log in and see your account looking like this. As you can see on my account, I have already answered on some questions for the purpose of this video. So, what you'll be doing is just answering on questions with a yes or no. I will just click to this one here, and after doing that, you will see the percentage of how all the users have answered. Then you can just click on the Continue to answer to the next question. And in here, you can see your mission's progress. This means it tracks your progress every time you finish your mission. Now, this cow icon will move from left to right by showing the progress of your mission. And the best part is that when completing every mission, you will also be able to earn extra cash and bonus money. And that's why I believe this is a very good way for beginners to make money. As you can see yourself, it's so easy, and all you need to do is just answer to some questions by clicking on a few buttons. Absolutely everyone can do this. You can now click on this section here where it says Achievements. After clicking on it, it will take you to this page where you can see your progress and your badges. And in here you can see how many badges you currently have and how many points you've earned. So it only took about 2 to 3 minutes to earn this many points. And currently I'm on mission 1 as Earth. And here they say, this is the beginning of your adventure through Enroll. Take tests, answer Enroll polls, and be an active Enroll user to earn badges and advance to the next mission, launching into space. You also need to log into your account every single day to earn bonus points and money. You have to do this 30 days in a row. This means you can't skip even a single day. All you need to do is just spend 5 minutes every day in this app by answering the poll questions. This is how long it will take to complete the mission. While completing the mission, you will be able to see this little cow icon moving from left to right when it finally reaches 100%. And here you can see how many badges you have earned. Also, the more badges you've collected, the more money you will also make. I would also like to share a bonus tip with you. This will actually help you to double or even triple your earnings. You can go here where you can see your profile. Click on this little arrow. Now you can see a drop-down menu. In here, just select Test Preferences. After clicking on it, you'll be taken to this page where you see your profile settings. Now, you need to make sure that all your profile settings are up to date. In here, they also want to remind you that your responses to all these questions will be kept private. Now, in here, where you can see all the 3 devices, mobile, tablet, and desktop, make sure they are all on. You can just click on them. So, you're wondering why you need to check all of them. It's because the more devices you choose, the more tests you will be able to do and polls to answer. And this means the more money you will be able to make. By doing that, you will be able to double or even triple your earnings. Now, when you scroll down a bit more, you can see the testing availability. I recommend choosing this one here. In that way, they would send you the tests as soon as possible. Also, make sure you have clicked on this box here to receive an email when you qualify for a test. And finally, you also need to validate your phone number to receive SMS notifications from Enroll and start taking tests and answering polls as soon as possible. Once you have checked all these testing preferences, then you can continue answering the poll questions, and you could see yourself it's really so easy to make money on this website. All you need to do is just spend a few minutes a day on this site by doing simple tests and answering to some questions, and then see your earnings increasing day by day. It's as simple as that. And that's it. This is Make Money Emma. Make sure to subscribe to my channel and click on the notification bell, smash the like button, and I'll see you in the next video.